Hello, word wizards. Are you ready to add color, emotion, and detail to your sentences? Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating parts of speech in English, adjectives. Adjectives can transform your language and make your speech and writing more vibrant and captivating. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to use adjectives like a pro and avoid common mistakes. Let's get started. What are adjectives? So, what exactly is an adjective? In simple terms, an adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. It gives more information about the object, person, place, or idea you're talking about. For example, the red car zoomed past us. She has a beautiful voice. This cake is delicious without adjectives, or language would be plain and boring. Imaine saying, I saw a car. Now add some adjectives. I saw a shiny, red, sports car. See the difference. Adjectives make everything more vivid and engaging. Adjectives come in different types, and each has a unique function. Let's break them down. First, we have descriptive adjectives. These describe a quality or characteristic. For example, a tall building, a happy child. Second, we have quantitative adjectives. These show quantity or how much. For example, she has 2 cats. I need some water. Third, we have demonstrative adjectives. These point out specific nouns. For example, this book is interesting. Those shoes are expensive. On fourth, we have possessive adjectives. These show ownership. For example, my bag is blue. Their house is beautiful. Fifth, we have interrogative adjectives used in questions. For example, which dress should I wear? What time is the meeting? On sixth, we have comparative and superlative adjectives used to compare. For example, comparative. This book is better than that one. Superlative. This is the best movie I've seen. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into adjectives. I hope you've learned something new and feel inspired to make your language more colorful and expressive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational videos about mastering English. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.